What's up, Cameron and everybody else watching? I got the bike sitting right here. I put a lot of work into this thing over the past few months, and I think we got a good shot at winning this thing. Let's check it out. All right, so there it is. Thanks again, Cameron, for putting on this contest. I had a ton of fun with this bike. I think it turned out awesome. Remember, you guys got to vote if we want to win this thing. And if you want to see the full build series, head over to my channel. You can check it out there. May the best bike transformation win. Thanks, guys.